this is Blendy here.
Hey!
It's a new day.
And we're shopping.
Shopping, yes. We chose some cute dresses. Like, it's gonna be a couple. Mine is white and Blendy is pink. It's gonna look cute on us. Oh, look at her ring. The ring matches the...
Oh my god, yeah!
Yeah, the blazers are expensive here. What was this? This is like we can take and leave? So a lot of spring clothes are coming out. Oh, this one looks cute.
You don't know how much it is? 28.
28,000, but the material is not that good, so you know. What else? How much is this? Okay, this one is this.
Oh my god.
No, it's not worth it.
Never mind.
A t-shirt. How much is the t-shirt?
I like it though. It's 11.
It's 11,000. Okay,
It's cute.
it's cute. Okay, I see. So we came to eat. What are we ordering?
We're going to have some delicious meals. First of all, we're going to order some seafood cream pasta.
And you see the price is 7,900, which is in dollars. How much is it? Like 6.5, 6.
And then we're gonna have this chopstick. I hope it's good as it looks.
Chopstick,
it's like
yes.
$11.
I tried it once and it was delicious. Let's hope in this place it's tasty as well. Okay. So cute. 네.
해물크림 맞으세요? 네. 콜라 2개요? 네.
Good job. She's a professional in ordering.
Oh no, you're the professional. Let me take a video of this.
And right now I'm with Blendy, a KGSP student at Chungnam University, and we're gonna enjoy our date.
It's a cute deer here.
Okay, let's see. Looks good. And smells good. Okay, mukbang. Bro, this is so delicious. No, for real. I love it. It was good. We loved it. And
This is the place.
yeah, this is the place in Dong in Daejeon. Yeah, they were nice. And the lady was like, "How was your meal?" in English. Right now we're gonna go eye shopping.
No, window shopping.
Window shopping. Window shopping.
Where are we going first?
Zara.
Wait, do you remember this place? Isn't this the
Yes. Okay, so this is Blendy's boyfriend. Go meet him and go give him a kiss.
It's been so long, sweetie.
Go kiss him.
It's been so long, sweetie.
Bye. So Blendy has a picture with this guy. Like maybe in October, we took a picture with him. So
It's
yeah.
so cute. That's my boyfriend.
That's funny.
Okay.
How are we gonna cross the road? Illegally?
Yeah.
Oh, look at these guys. Look at them. Look at them.
Are we crossing or not?
Okay, okay. Okay.
What's happening? Water.
Oh,
Water.
oh shit. Okay, where's the entrance? So look at such good invention.
Have unique styles, but it's just so damn expensive.
Yeah, they're kind of expensive in Korea.
In Korea.
In Europe, it's not that expensive.
Oh my god, this is what colors. Really good. They have good stuff here.
The Chinese, they look good.
Yeah.
So yeah, my mom can do these things, but she doesn't have time. She's very talented. She could do this in 2 days.
It's like
And this one, so cute. We came.
to be kidding me.
Look at this. How much are they? They're gonna be super expensive. 11,000 for this. Girl, no. I think that's too expensive for that. But okay. Wow. Is buying me a scrunchie. Yeah, they do piercings here.
Scary.
Thank you, girl.
No.
No, thank you. Yeah. We're gonna go chill here a little bit because it's raining outside. So this is Blanche's present for me. I'm gonna wear it right now.
Oh, tell them about the store. They have this thing when you go in a store and the attendants there, they keep following you around. Like, they just follow you behind every time. It makes you feel uncomfortable. It's like, do you think I'm going to steal something?
I know maybe that's their job, but that's weird.
Yeah, it's like, why are you following me around every time? It's like, and I don't see them following Koreans around, do they?
I didn't.
I've never seen that. They
yeah,
don't just
not
follow
really.
like foreigners or something. Like, I'm not saying like it's a foreign thing, but it's just like,
Maybe they try to help us, but everything it does is just makes us
but I can
uncomfortable.
see things I want, and if I need help, I'm gonna call for help, or I'm just gonna like bring the product to you and ask you about it. So like, anyway, we appreciate the customer service, but
How should I put it? I don't know.
have you forgotten how to put it? Crunchy? Oh my god. Just forgotten how to use crunchy.
I like it. I wanted it for a very long time, but I was like, I'm gonna buy it one day.
Do they have attendants there?
No, I don't know. So yeah. It's a video.
Oh my god. I hate you. Hello.
So these places where you can take pictures are called Inseng Sajin, and they have a lot of cute stuff. Like, can you do this?
Who is that? Hello, mister?
Baby, I changed my hairstyle.
Oh my god.
That's ugly. They have a lot of cute things like this.
Oh, bunny.
I like it.
Do it again. With a balloon.
How do you call it? The iron, hair iron, and the blow dryer. Yeah, camera and everything for getting your face ready for the photos. Anyways, let's go. Don't do that! Don't do that! Here I am again at a sushi place. I really love it. And after that, we're gonna go buy some medicine because we eat raw fish. I'm gonna show you what kind of medicine we're going to buy, so we don't get any parasites in our stomachs or intestines. Will you marry me? Say yes.
아니요.
Yes?
아니요. 하지만.
He said yes.
아니요.
So we're done eating and now we're going to look for a pharmacy. Oh, it's over there. So, pharmacy in Korean language is yakguk. I don't remember what's the name of it. I'm just gonna ask. So I got it. You can drink just one pill. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I paid for it 1,001. Yeah, so there are 2 pills for 1,001. So now we came to the cinema and we're gonna buy the tickets. Let me show you how. We're gonna huh? Okay. Let's take this one.
Early.
250.
We can go ahead and go in there now.
Airborne 2. Okay, so we paid 28,000 for 2 people. Is for one ticket is 14,000. So yeah. What do you want?
Popcorn, please.
I'm not saying this. So this is like squid or what is this? Something like that. It's sweet and the popcorn. Let's buy the. Which flavor do you want?
The cheddar one we
The
always get.
cheese, onion, corn, caramel, and the number one.
No, cheese, baby.
Cheese. Okay. And do you want cola or anything else?
Cola.
Okay. And that's it. And it's gonna be. Why do they do this? Like add 500 one and get a large. No. So for 2 cola, like medium side, and a double cheese popcorn large, and some squid, sweet squid, we paid like 11,000. How much is 11,000 in dollars?
$15,000. That's like $9.
$9, yeah. So here is the place. It's called CGV. It's called CGV. 네.
Baby, can you hold any of those?
No. They check our temperature over there and we write down our phone number in case of something. Let's go. I hope it's
Do you
interesting.
remember what seats we had?
Where's the ticket? Did she give you back?
We're in the back. Let her take this. Actually, I'm gonna take Is it this way?
Yeah, but let's look.
It's we're in the 30-foot.
We are somewhere here, no?
Yeah.
But where's the ticket though? Okay, let's go. Oh no. It is dark. It is dark. Let's go the other side. Hmm?
I want to scream 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. No. You can do that. Okay, it's here. Sweet box. Baby. So once we came to the cinema and we were the only one inside. But today there are people, like mostly teenagers, because the movie is Gorilla against who?
King Kong.
King Kong? Gorilla with Godzilla and King Kong? Gorilla and King Kong? I don't know the name. So in Korea they don't leave the trash inside. They self-clean? How do you call it? Okay, let's go. Okay. The movie was good. I loved it. Did you like the movie? Uh-huh. Did you?
Yes, I did.
It was interesting. Recommend. We're not gonna spoil or anything, but yeah. Go watch it. Godzilla and King Kong. Say anything about it. Oh my God.
It was a good movie. I liked it.
We're going back home and the weather is so rainy. It's super rainy. So anyways, have a good time guys. We're going back home to watch a movie and chill, because this weather makes us staying home at home.